Okay, well, thank you very much. Good afternoon, mga kababayan ko dito po sa Malaysia. Ito po si Nico Fabian. Once again, nandito po sa programa natin, Nick Talk, The Real Talk with Nico. And today is Friday, no? Friday na tayo. And it's already August 15. Huh? Tingnan natin. Now is Friday, August 15. And from Kuala Lumpur, yesterday I was in Pahang, and today I am in now I am in Pahang. Huh? So nandito tayo po, one of the districts of Pahang, and that is what we call the Cameron district. And of course, what I'm going to do, my followers, I would like to share with you whatever views I'm going to manage to get for all of you in this today's program, Friday. So, in Cameron district, and for your information, I just want to inform you ang background ng Cameron. The Cameron Highlands in Malay Tanatingi, Cameron, is a district in Pahang, Malaysia, occupying an area of 712.18 square meters or 270.97 square meters. To the north is a boundary touches that of Kelantan. To the west, it shares part of its border with Perak, situated at the western tip of Pahang. Cameron Highlands is approximately 90 kilometers or from the east, from Ipoh, roughly 200 kilometers north from Kuala Lumpur, or about 355 kilometers from Kuantan, the capital of Pahang. It is the smallest municipality in the state. So ito po, this is what we call Pahang, no? Pahang. And yesterday I was in the Perak, no? I showed you some tourist destination in Perak, and today I'm here in Pahang, especially in the district of Cameron po. So yes, we will start our journey. We will start our journey here, no, in Cameron, and this park, this tourist attraction is called Flora Park. In other words, Flora Park, it means we are going to see a lot of flowers, plants in this area po. And for you to come in, you have to pay 50 ringgit per head, no, per visitor. And of course, we can see a lot of tourists. A lot of tourists from different nationalities po, nandito sila, and enjoying the beauty of this place. Flowers po, flowers, and you can see them, yes, taking selfies, and selfie pictures, and of course, yes, you can see local tourists, foreign tourists. And as we move along, tingnan natin po kung what else, ano pa tayo kaya magbigay sa inyo ang mga views dito po sa Flora Park. We call it Flora Park. Alright, Flora Park. And yeah, I have to alright, I have to exercise since yesterday. I've been moving around. Oh, beautiful. This is it. You see? Alright. This is what you call the Flora Park in Cameron district of Pahang. So, I hope you are going to enjoy whatever views I'm going to share with you during my visit in Flora Park in district of Cameron, Pahang. All right. Take some pictures here. All right. Yeah, together with me is my family. My wife, my daughter, 2 daughters. My wife, Mary Lou. And of course, my daughter, Nikki and Shane. All right. Ganda po, ano? Ang ganda po. So, this is the things that I'm showing to you now. Para sa mga kababayan ko po dito sa Malaysia, particularly mga kababayan dyan po sa Kota Kinabalu. And if by chance an opportunity given to you po, no? Come and drop by Pahang, the state of Pahang. And of course, once you are here in the state of Pahang, don't forget to visit Cameron District po. Parang ano ito, parang sa Kundasan, parang sa, kung sa Sabah, sa Kota Kinabalu tayo po, sa itasas ng ano. So it means we are like in Kota Kinabalu. And kung sa Pilipinas ito, parang ano tayo, we are in Baguio City in the Philippines. Okay, let's start po. Ito, let's start with our tour. Bilhin natin ng ticket and now we are ready to start with the tour. Alright, so we'll go inside and hope you are going to enjoy the view that I'm going to share with you. Alright, push right. Alright, let's go inside. And eto na po. This is it. This is it. Yes. Alright, thank you very much. Okay. So now you see the wonders of plants. Alright. Okay. Properly maintained. And this is it po. 50 ringgit. Just want to show you. Ito po ang ticket. You have to pay this much for you to be able to enjoy your tour in this Flora Park. Coming up here will take you less than 5 minutes, and then you reach the entrance of the park, and from here you will start taking pictures, selfie. There's a lot of plants, species of plants that you will be able, or I'm going to share with you during our tour to this Taman Bunga. In Malay, we call it Taman Bunga, garden park. Taman Bunga is garden park. All right, let's move. All right, let's move on. And yes, all right. Okay. Ito na po. Ito na po. But you need to have a little stamina when visiting this place. Because so beautiful. All right. Yeah. Cannot. I thought I'll be able to come inside here entrance, but we have to pass the other side. All right. That side. So, yeah, we have to pass the other side, and I'll show you more views dito po sa Flora Park. Alright, follow me. Sige lang po. Sana enjoy kayo, mga kababayan ko dyan po sa Sabah. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Kota Kinabalu, sa another state in Malaysia, and that is what you call the state of Pahang. Yesterday I've shown you the state of Perak, and today we are here in Pahang. Okay po, just for your info, direction of the map, this is the entire park, Floral Park. Alright. Okay. The other side, if you want to go up, you have to go this side to go up. Alright. Sini kan, Tan? Sini boleh? Pergi di atas. Alright, so asking some directions. And yeah, today it's now it's 2:56, almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. For you from Kuala Lumpur coming down to Pahang, it will take roughly around 3 to 4 hours by land travel. All right, now another section of the park, of the garden, and yeah, beautiful. Okay. Ganda pala, no? How they do it, properly done. All right. You will really feel it. And yeah, so relaxing. It's so relaxing. All right. Okay, this is it. So, tingnan ninyo po, mga kababayan ko sa Sabah is Malaysia, Kota Kinabalu. See this place. Although it's a little bit expensive to come in, you have to pay 50 ringgit per head. But sulit naman, no? Sulit naman once you're inside. Sulit naman. Nice place to visit. Of course, this vlogging that I'm doing, of course, para sa mga kababayan ko dito po, dito sa Malaysia, or working, legally residing, working here. And of course, kababayan from the Philippines, legally working and residing in Sabah, Kota Kinabalu to be specific. So you see, okay, they're enjoying selfie, taking pictures. All right. Okay, once again, I just want to remind you, mga late tuners, ito po si Nico Fabian. Nandito po tayo sa state of Pahang, particularly in the district of Cameron district. This is a tourist place wherein we can see a lot of tourists coming here every day po, because the district itself is cooling, no? And they have a lot of tourist attraction left and right po. And one of them is, ito na, You can see ang Floral Park. And you can also, while in Cameron, you can also visit Strawberry Park. Strawberry Park and many more parks here. And yeah, it's cool. In the morning, all their hotels, accommodations, room accommodations, they don't install aircon simply because the place is already cooling. All right, it's already cooling. All right, okay, okay. From Sabah, tourists from Sabah, Mary Lou Pentojo, taking selfie pictures with, of course, the two daughters, Nikki and Shane. All right. Okay. See. All right. So let's move on. Move on tayo. Dami pa. This is a big area for you to stroll, for you to visit. Tingnan natin po kung ano pa sa loob, no? Let's see. And as what I said, you must have a little of stamina. Because it requires some steps for you to do. Maybe, all right. Hold on. Maybe steps like 20 or 2,000 steps, 5,000 steps, or 10,000 steps to cover the entire park. All right. This is another place inside. And yeah, you can have food. You can have food if you wish. You see? Excuse me. All right. You can see a lot of different nationalities, age, tourists. Dami sila dito po. So, all right. Yeah, you can go up also. Later on, you can have a snacks. Okay, let's go up and see what they have here. All right. Hello. How are you to find out? All right. Ang ganda po, ano? Ang ganda. Hanggang dyan pa yan. Mahaba pa ang biyahe natin, mga kaibigan. Haba pa. So, as what I promised, I'll be bringing you, showing you whatever I can show you while I'm here in West Malaysia po, no? Habang nagbisita tayo ang Kuala Lumpur and other states in West Malaysia, I will share with you mga places that I go and visit. Alright. Ito na po. Ganda, no? Nice place to visit. See? For flower lovers, plant lovers po, again, I would say, this is the place, perfect place for you to visit. Okay?
我还比较小资。对呀。海南马蹄石。
Okay. Kita ninyo po. You see the beauty of flowers. Ganda talaga. And kailangan lang tayo konti na climbing to do. Kaya nga, we need exercise when preparation, no? When going out for holiday or a tour. So, kung wala tayong exercise, medyo mahirapan tayo. We'll find it difficult, not time to walk sa mga parks. Right? Okay. Wow.
May kamamay na ka.
Mana?
Alright. Ito po. Hindi lang pala tayo isa naghihirapan. Meron din mga ibang turista na hirapan din mag-akyat dito. Siguro kaya sa atin kulang ang preparation natin. Stamina. Although we have a bright sun here, Taipei is still cooling. Very cooling. Huh? I think ang temperature dito po is something like mga, let's put it siguro mga, let's put it 19 po. Kaya nga, cool talaga. And you will enjoy. It reminds me when I was in Barcelona. Ganito din ang climate. Ganito din ang climate. Okay? So, ito na po. Medyo I have to go slow down muna tayo dahil kulang ang stamina natin. But once again, to our latecomers, I would like to inform you, ito po si Nico Fabian sa programa natin Nick Talk, The Real Talk with Nico. And today is August 15. Thanks God is Friday. And thanks God also. Mayroon tayong ang Panginoon natin nagbigay sa atin opportunity to come to the state of Pahang. Specifically dito po sa district ng Cameron. And it's parang kung sa if we are in Kota Kinabalu or in Sabah, This is like, the atmosphere, the weather condition is like Kundasan or in Mount Kinabalu Park. Now, if we were to compare this place also in other places, like in the Philippines, we can say this is like Baguio or Tagaytay. Baguio or Tagaytay. And of course, yeah, I was made to understand every day a lot of visitors from different countries, different nationalities, families, senior citizens, and all ages po. They come here and visit this place once they visit Cameron. Cameron. It's a beautiful place. But from Kuala Lumpur coming down to the state of Pahang, it will take roughly no less than 3 hours and 30 minutes or maybe mga 4 hours pa po. 4 hours pa. So the other day or yesterday, I brought you guys in Perak. And this time, as what I said, this time I'm here in Pahang, the state of one of the states of Malaysia, in Pahang. All right. All right. You have to have your stamina, preparations when you come for a tour wherever you want to go. Yeah, because just like all right. Mahirapan po if you don't have stamina. At least you must have a stamina. All right. This is it. I'll try to see more spots and cafe. So maybe if you want to have some coffee, this is the place. All right. All right, let's see the coffee house, Flora Park. All right. Okay, let's try to go inside and see what do they have. Yeah, later, waiting for my family. Okay, the one is what inside, huh? Oh, all right. Oh, it's a restaurant also, huh? All right, hold on. Fine dining, you can do it here. You can do your fine dining. And for the snacks, you can come in to Flora Park Coffee Shop. All right. So, this is it. This is it. I think siguro hanggang dito na lang tayo ngayon sa programa natin, Nick Talk, Real Talk with Nico. And Although, hindi pa tayo natapos ang round talaga, ang area, ang Flora Park dito po sa Cameron District of Pahang. No? Dahil wala na siguro tayong lakas, kulang na ang stamina natin. So I have to rest for a while and I'll continue. Don't worry, I'll be taking some video clips mamaya as I continue my tour dito po sa Flora Park. And I will share it with you sa mga one of these vlogging programs natin po. Habang nandito ako sa West Malaysia or sa Kuala Lumpur. I will be going down, mamaya din, I'll be visiting some areas like a strawberry farm and other interesting areas dito po sa Cameron. And in the event, while going back to Kuala Lumpur, no, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, then I'll make sure that I will be sharing with you also interesting places po, no, sa West Malaysia. So galing na tayo sa Kuala Lumpur, ang Twin Tower. The other day I featured, and yesterday we featured, or I featured ang one of the newly promoted tourist spot in they call it the Horbiton Park. Horbiton Park, dyan po sa Perak. And today nandito tayo po sa Pahang. So, sana lang po, enjoy kayo po sa programa natin. And of course, I will continue to share with you whatever I can share. In the meantime, siguro hanggang dito na lang. Once again, si Nico Fabian would like to say thank you very much for making me a part of your day today. Malaysia, Sabah, the Philippines, God bless us all. And I'll see you in my next episode. Bye!